Arutwo 183,719 nio maikiti ihoya ria kwamukira scholarship na ngombo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa HELB. 679 ari arutwo kuma thukuru cia TVET na arutwo 125 ari arutwo a university. MIHANG'O ino igitanywo gutirihwo mweri ukite. Kamitii ya mbunge igi githomo ni tumurite ciuria cia uria university iratwarithia na mbere MIHANG'O ya o muthenya na riria thirikari itanyitwo kurekereria kigina giki kuri arutwo.
Up to now, where are we? How much money have you processed? How many students have benefited? How many? Do you have any challenge?
The students who are in the universities, how long will the university have them without fee payment? How long?
Kuringana na MURUGAMIRIRI munene wa ruhonge rwa HELB CHARLSE RINGERA, HELB ndiri irarekereria KIGINA o GIOTHE kuri arutwo a mwaka wa mbere kana aria marathie na mbere na mathomo.
We are still following up with the ministry who in retrospect they are following up with the treasury for release of funds. As at now, we have not released any money to whether continuing students or the ones who are coming in for the first time.
This validation process is what has caused the delay. However, we anticipate that once we receive all the data from all the university students, we shall be able to process. It is one touch of the machine and we'll have all the students categorized accordingly.
Ona kuhanoro uguo mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru Beatrice Nyangala augite university ni ciamukirite kigina kinini kia mahuthiro akiregana na ripoti ati kuri university ikoretwo ikihingiriria arutwo nja ni undu wa kwaga mbeca.
What they also did was to request for enhanced capitation. So normally we send like 1 month capitation for the students who are already pursuing their studies, but they requested for enhanced 3-month capitation so that they had some funds to help them keep operational while we were processing the funds for the first years.
Kamitii ino igucemanitie na honge ici ciere kwaririria riendekithia ria watho riria ritwarirwo mbunge ni murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Machakos Joyce Kamene akienda HELB kunyihia gicunji kia marihi ma njoherera cia ngombo kuma kuri gicunji kia 4% kinyagia gicunji kia 3% na kuongerera ihinda riria arutwo mabati kwambiriria kuriha ngombo ciao thutha wa mathomo kinyagia miaka 5.
We are giving them time to prepare themselves. There is no job, you're trying to get your feet together. So we are looking at it. We can say, I can leave it to your prerogative. It doesn't have to be exactly 5 years, but let's look at it. Let's give them some time to form themselves.
HELB yugite gucenjio kwa watho uyu kwaya gucungiriria hathara nene ya kibesha na oho gucerithiria arutwo a miaka yukite kwamukira kigina kia mathomo.
And we realize that in a year if you drop by 1% we'll lose about 1.8 billion.
Yes, 1.8.
It's about 1.8 billion that we'll be able to lose. So again, Exchequer must come in and cover for that component of 1.8 billion.
Haduini ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.